Want more time to answer calls on your ALDI mobile phone before they go to voicemail? You can extend your ring time up to 30 seconds using simple codes. ALDI Mobile, which operates on Verizon's network, defaults to about 22 seconds of ring time. This segment will show you how to customize it. By extending this time, you reduce the chances of missing important calls, especially useful in noisy environments or areas with weaker signal. Remember, this setting affects how long your phone rings across all your devices linked to your ALDI mobile account. First, dial 61 and press call to hear your current voicemail delay setting. If you'd like to change it, dial 61 followed by the number of seconds you want your phone to ring, up to 30. For example, to set a 15-second delay, dial 6115 and press call. To confirm the change, dial 61 again. Keep in mind that this setting might reset when roaming internationally and doesn't apply to blocked calls or when Do Not Disturb is enabled. Be aware that extending ring time might slightly increase battery usage due to prolonged ringing. For easier management, consider using Verizon's Visual Voicemail app if you have a compatible Android or iOS device.